Ditch the dust drama. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus cleans like a beast while you kick back. Imagine a world where your floors magically stay spotless without you lifting a finger. No more wrestling with vacuums, dodging tumbleweeds of pet hair, or discovering dust bunnies have staged a coup under your couch. Meet the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus, the cleaning powerhouse that vacuums, mops, self-empties, and navigates like a genius, so you don't have to. With a monstrous 5,500 Pascal suction, dual rubber brushes, and precision LiDAR navigation, this hands-free cleaning machine obliterates dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets, hardwood, and tiles. The best part? It empties itself for up to 7 weeks because who actually enjoys dealing with dust? Unlike old-school vacuums, or lazy robot vacs that just take a joyride around your house, the Q5 Pro Plus actually cleans like it means it. With PreciSense LiDAR technology, it scans, maps, and plots the most efficient cleaning route like a high-tech ninja. Quick mapping, multi-level mapping, and 3D mapping let it memorize every twist and turn of your home, avoiding obstacles like a pro. Spilled coffee? Pet hair everywhere? Dust sneaking into corners? The Q5 Pro Plus doesn't just push messes around, it sucks them up with ruthless efficiency. Set it, forget it, and watch your floor stay spotless day after day. Ever had a vacuum that needed babysitting? Not this one. The self-emptying dock means no daily trips to the trash, just 7 weeks of uninterrupted, hands-free cleaning. Plus, with a 770 ml dustbin and 180 ml water tank, it vacuums and mops in one go, eliminating dirt and stains in record time. You can customize cleaning routines via the Roborock app, set no-go zones, or even schedule cleanings while you're out. Prefer voice commands? It syncs with third-party voice assistants, so a simple "Hey, clean the kitchen" is all it takes. Because in 2025, we let robots do the dirty work. This isn't just another overpriced cleaning gadget, it's an investment in your time and sanity. Think of the hours you'll reclaim from vacuuming, sweeping, and mop wrangling. No more backbreaking chores, no more surprise pet hair tumbleweeds, no more dust traps lurking in corners. With its rugged durability, smart cleaning intelligence, and industry-leading power, the Q5 Pro Plus outperforms competitors that cost twice as much. Built by Roborock, the world's #1 RVC brand, this robot vacuum is engineered to last, tested to perfection, and designed to keep your home effortlessly spotless. So, what's the move? You could keep wrestling with your outdated vacuum, or worse, a broom. Or you could level up to the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus and let the cleaning take care of itself. This is the future of cleaning, and it's waiting at your doorstep. Ready to say goodbye to floor filth forever?